YCharts' interactive analysis tool gives advisors a collaborative space to explore how different factors influence investment performance, all while staying compliant with the SEC marketing rule. You can personalize any interactive analysis plan with the client's name and investment objectives. These will conveniently auto-populate in the interactive analysis plan. From there, you can build an interactive analysis plan for a single portfolio or compare against another portfolio with just a few clicks. Other plan details can be entered, such as the initial and target investment amounts, time horizon, and any contribution or withdrawal scenarios. You can build plans that reflect both historical and projected investment performance. This is especially helpful for client conversations about long-term investment projections. Once the initial plan has been built, making adjustments is simple. Change any input and see the impact in real time, making the analysis interactive and collaborative. Once you and your client are happy with the plan, you can generate a polished PDF report with a custom title and firm logo, perfect for client takeaways and prospect meetings. Purpose-built for SEC marketing rule compliance, YCharts' interactive analysis tool offers a collaborative space for advisors to engage clients, demonstrate how different factors impact investment performance, and ultimately win new business. To get started with the interactive analysis tool, reach out to an account manager or start a free trial of YCharts today.